This is Gabby making pierogi for Christmas dinner. She's been doing this since she was 8 years old. What do you like about making pierogi, Gabs?
It makes me feel closer to my grandma because I'm the only one that knows how to make them.
Her grandma was Ukrainian, and she taught her how to make this. These are the scrappy pieces, but these are going to be turned into little dumplings.
Like this.
Like that. And then we boil them. This is what's inside.
Potatoes and sauerkraut.
Right.
A lot of people do like cheese and other things, but we've always done either just sauerkraut or potatoes and sauerkraut.
And the dough.
The homemade dough, and then they get tossed in caramelized onions and served with sour cream, applesauce.
Here's the onions. And we're gonna have it this year with chicken and roasted chicken. And here's our little table. And Merry Christmas.